is that those amendments are rightly before the House. Because whether Honorable Pukose is a chair of a committee or a member, an ordinary member, who is not even a member of that committee, he has a right to propose amendments.
Thank you. Thank you.
And any member of this House can propose amendments so long the clerk has signed amendments.
That point is well made.
And I have seen those amendments in the clerk's office.
That point is well made, Major Leader. This chance goes to Honorable Makali.
Yeah, thank you very much, Honorable Chair. Honorable Chair, I think really some of us have been in this House for too long to appreciate some of the things we do. I want to give some statements of fact. Honorable Chair, amendments, when they come to this House, they can be carried out by the House, or we can even reject them. On the basis of that, then you lose your amendment. That's our position number one. Position number two, Honorable Chair, even when a committee brings the amendments to this House, it is not a must that we approve them as a House. In the past, we have rejected committee amendments. There are times, even, Honorable Chair, we have requested the chair of the committee to do further amendments to accommodate members' input into the bill. So what we are saying, and I think the problem we have here, Mr. Chair, is very simple. The problem which is being expressed by the members of the Health Committee is that these members sat for 2 weeks. We are told that. After sitting for 2 weeks and interacting with the stakeholders through public participation, there were things we were able to build consensus on. On the basis of that consensus building, they appended their signatures to the report, saying we agree, both sides, the majority and the minority, we agree that if we make these amendments, then we will be on the right track. What I would have imagined, Honorable Chair, is those amendments, they are carried as they were agreed in the committee to be committee amendments by the chair, and then the rest of us who don't belong to the committee can also move our amendments. Now, it is the work of the chair to convince the House, both the majority and the minority, to support his amendments. If we don't support, he loses. And it's the work of us, the other side, to do the same. So I think what is the issue of concern here, Mr. Chairman, and this is what I think I agree with what Millie is saying. The issue of concern is, Mr. Chairman, at times we have witnessed in this House where members don't vote on the basis of objectivity. We become more of voting machines. And that's why we are saying we have no problem with the amendments. I will be prosecuting mine and the rest. But we ask the members, when it comes to the proposed amendments, Honorable Chair, that we use objectivity. Anything which is good for the country, we fought for it, irrespective of whether it's a committee's amendment or whether it's an individual member's amendment. With that, Honorable Chair, we can proceed and then go close by close. But I want to plead to the honorable members that we support